Local Danny Motor Lanford. Just like to show you our 201 Yaris 1 litre 5-door petrol manual Luna model. Finished in ash grey. Electric windows, electric mirrors, central locking. Bodywork in super condition. Alloy wheels. Front fogs. Cars tested until January of 28. Very spacious boot. Reverse camera. So here in the back we have a velour interior with Isofix seats. Manual windows in the back, loads of leg room. Up front we have 5-speed manual transmission. Cup holders, USB and auxiliary ports, touchscreen radio, reverse camera. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, lane assist, pre-collision alert, automatic wipers, automatic headlights. And this car is covered down to 61,000 Toyota service history. So that's our 201 Yaris 1 litre 5-door petrol manual. For more information and finance options, contact our sales team here on 04333 45621 and they would gladly help you out. Thank you.